Hey, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how to make this monkey in a palm tree. All right, let's get this party popping, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna start with the palm tree. So we're gonna go ahead and do the leaves first. So you're gonna go ahead and inflate your 260 to its entirety. Okay, go ahead and burp it. Tie it off. And then go ahead and tie it to the other end. We're gonna make a circle, okay? So this is what you should have. And then where you just tied it, take your thumb and put it there and stretch it so we can find the middle of this balloon. And right there is the middle, so we're gonna pinch and we're gonna twist. Now you have two bubbles, okay? Now I want you to go ahead, like you're clapping your hands. You're going to just push them together and make a figure 8, and then you're gonna twist, okay? Now, go ahead and, like glasses, put those together, close it up and make a circle, okay? And then, like you're gonna clap, put your hands together, just like that, and make a figure 8 again. Pinch with your fingers, hold hands around it and twist. Very easy. Those are the leaves of your palm tree, okay? Now you can shape it if you like. I'm just pressing, and when I'm pressing, I'm kind of putting pressure on the edges, and it gives me that shape, okay? Just like that. And that's the top. That's the palm leaves, palm tree leaves. Okay, so now is the trunk. So you're gonna take your 260, you're gonna inflate it to its entirety again. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and burp that, make it soft, okay? Okay, now, if when you've inflated it, and you didn't inflate it enough and you have this much tail, simply take and press the balloon, and it should push the air all the way to the end. Okay, so I'm going to fold it in half to find the middle. Okay, fold it completely in half, find the middle, pinch it, and twist it. So then you have two long bubbles. Okay, so right there where you twisted it, this section here, you're gonna place right at the top of your leaves where everything is twisted. Pull it in, okay, twist it, and it's locked, okay? Now that's locked in, what you have. Now you're gonna just do twists. All you're doing is alternating and twisting. You're gonna twist all the way to the end. And then you're gonna make like a 1-inch bubble at the end. Pinch and twist. Okay? I like to, especially if I'm giving it to a child, take one of these bubbles and push it through to make sure it's really locked so they cannot untwist that. Okay? And there you have your palm tree. Congratulations, you did it. So you have your palm tree, right? Now, some people might just want a palm tree, so you're done. But if you want to do a little whimsy, you're going to add a little monkey, okay? If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial, okay? So I'm using a mocha brown. You're going to inflate your balloon all the way to about, you're gonna leave about 4 fingers. You don't even really need that much, to be honest. Maybe about 3 fingers. I'm gonna inflate a little more. You only need about 3 fingers. That's still about, that's about 4. So let me inflate a little more because you don't need that much. All right, and then go ahead and burp it, okay? tie it off. All right, so you're gonna start with a little cute face. So you're gonna do like 1-inch bubble, okay? Remember, when you're twisting, always twist in the same direction. Hold on your first bubble and your last bubble. Now we're going to follow up with 2 pinch twists. It's gonna be the ears, okay? So you're gonna do two pinch twists, but in between the ears, you're gonna have the top of the head. So we're gonna do a pinch twist. And we're gonna fold it, pull up on this bubble, and twist. Okay, that's 1 ear. Then I use about 3 fingers, pinch and twist. That's for the top of the head. Then we're gonna do about a 1-inch bubble, pinch, twist. We're gonna fold it. That's what you should have thus far. Pull up and twist to get an ear twist. Okay? That's what you should have thus far. And then you're going to pull up on the 2 pinch twists, the ears and the top of the head, because we want to twist this last pinch twist right where it's twisted. We're going to tie it into the first one. So you're going to fold it and hold it. And you're gonna pull up on all this section here and twist. So when you're done, this is what you should have, okay? I'm gonna press, because I don't need all this. It's going to be a little soft. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to create a little neck, okay? About 2-3 fingers, twist it, okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna wrap, and this is how much tail I have left. I'm gonna wrap, this is gonna be the arms. I'm gonna wrap him around the base, the trunk of the palm tree, and I'm gonna pinch and twist that into underneath the neck. So you're gonna pinch and twist, and then you're going to twist those 2 together, like that, okay? So that's his neck, and then his arms. So then you have about that much tail. Then you're going to have your body. So I normally just do like a hand twist, and then you need the back legs. So you have this much tail. So then it's going to pinch, twist, fold it, pinch, and twist it. And all this rest of it is its tail. So what I do is I wrap it around my fingers, and then I'm squeezing it to give it a little shape. And then there's your tail. And there's your monkey on a palm tree. And then you're going to take your Sharpie, and you're going to do your artwork. So you fix your face. I do a big smile, of course. And I do 2 little circles for the eyes. If you want to do eyelashes, you can. It's up to you, whatever you decide to do. And there you have it. Your monkey on a tree, or your monkey on a palm tree. All right. Thank you for watching. Happy twisting, y'all.